Hi guys, I got a couple of t-shirts from WWE shop. I got two more coming in, should be here tomorrow. Got a ringside unboxing that should be here Thursday. And yeah, I'll probably make my money in the bank predictions. Today's what, Tuesday? Maybe today, later today, I'm not sure. I think all the matches are pretty well set in stone. I think that we already have a full card, so I'll make my predictions later. It was a buy one get one free. It was a buy one get one free. I wanted this. I wanted the other one, the NXT one, but I chose this one. The legit boss. Sky's the limit. Sasha Banks. The back. Pretty nice shirt. Awesome shirt. But it's hot out. Black shirts. Then I had to get this one. I was like, this one will be cooler, like on days like today. Finally, it's starting to cool off a little bit. Last couple of days it's so freaking hot. And that's my other shirt. Enzo and Cass, how you doing? The back. Enzo and Cass. But yeah, really like it. So we got this, the Enzo and Cass shirt, and then of course got the boss herself, legit boss, Sasha Banks, Sky's the Limit shirt. So there you go. So what I got, just a quick order. I'll have two more tomorrow, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you like it. I try and get 2 likes, 3 likes, whatever you want to. So subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Or later today if I do my predictions. I don't know. Thank you.